Tonight, a grant that was awarded to CSUMB from the U.S. Department of Education is aiming to expand mental health services for area students. KION's Natalie Gutierrez, she's live for us at the college campus tonight. Natalie, I know that you reached out to a school psychology professor. What did she tell you about the goals when it comes to these $6 million in a grant?
Good evening, Veronica. This 5-year grant that was granted to CSUMB this year will be distributed in 2 parts. It will provide scholarships for CSUMB students who want to be school psychologists or school social workers, and it will also be used to improve mental health services for the local youth who attend schools in the Monterey County School District.
According to the National Alliance of Mental Health, 1 in 6 U.S. youth aged 6 to 17 experience a mental health disorder each year. It's the reason Vanessa Flores, who is in her 2nd year of the school psychology master's program at CSUMB, wants to be a school psychologist.
There's always been a need for mental health services in schools, but what I've learned from being in the school psychology program at CSUMB and working in schools in the community is that there has definitely been an influx of students with unmet needs.
CSUMB is partnering with Monterey County Behavioral Health, Monterey County Office of Education, and AIM Youth Mental Health to implement the grant. The grant given to CSUMB from the U.S. Department of Education is to increase capacity to train future K-12 school-based mental health professionals to better support youth mental health needs.
School psychologists and the school social work students will be able to receive scholarships to obtain their credentials to provide mental health supports in our K-12 schools in our region.
Vanessa has already started her practices at 2 schools within the Monterey County School District. She hopes there will be more resources to better support local youth through this grant.
We're hoping with more resources, we can get ahead of the problem and help students before they even need help or before it gets to the point where their problems become so extreme that they start falling behind in school or dropping out of school.
The grant will also help school psychologists and social worker students by providing workshops for them on campus.
CSUMB officials tell me that the scholarships where psychologists and social worker students can apply to will be available to them this fall. Reporting live in Seaside, I'm Natalie Gutierrez, KION News Channel 46.